Hey guys, it's bright as heck outside. I am in Fort Lauderdale hanging out with my cousin Kirk, and Clea's supposed to be coming. Hot mess. She was supposed to be here already. Her and her friend were supposed to come and they was like, I don't know. But anywho, we're going to the beach. Well, I've requested to go to the beach and Kirk has kindly assisted in that happening today. So that's the beach right down there. That's Kirk all the way over there, if you can even see him in the shadows by that little underneath the kisses sign. So he's playing the parking and then we're gonna head out. You saw this squirrel the other day? That squirrel was so thug. I was walking up and it was like, what? What do you expect me to move out the way? I was like, well, damn.
Oh, right there, that's pretty cool.
Oh, cruise ship. We're walking across to the beach now. That's Kirk. Say hi, Kirk.
You gonna call me while I'm drinking? What? Hey guys!
It's super bright out. It's like 5 o'clock now, right? It's 5?
Yeah, it's 5:09.
It's 5 o'clock. There goes the sun.
Well, welcome to Fort
behind my eye.
Fort Lauderdale, baby.
Woo! There's the beach. It's not Yeah, Kirk made amazing smoothie this morning. Well, this afternoon when I got by his house. So it was like banana, strawberry, flaxseed.
Flaxseed, delicious jam, energy. So now we can run all day.
Kirk's a chef. Shout your website out.
I remember it. I think it's all of it and above.
I don't know. You think it is?
SiberianCatering.com or Chef Kirk at work.com, or just check me out, Chef at Work, Instagram, everything.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll be on that Snapchat all day, every day.
Every day.
I really don't have a Snapchat, and it's mainly because Andreene was taken by someone else that I refuse to be like Andreene 1 or Andreene 255.
It should be like Andreene like 16
no.
at like 24.com.
No. I was talking with Jacob and he was like, oh, you can petition to get your name, like if you really need it, you really want it.
That's true, but it's going to take you a while. So I say do a number, but like do like something awesome, like Andreene the Awesome, or you know,
Andreene the Amazing.
The Amazing. Like Andreene the Cute Cats.
Oh my gosh. beach. Again, it's the second time in the same beach. Cleo's here.
Different beach.
Yeah, right, it's not a different beach.
Different atmosphere.
Different atmosphere. This is so bright out. He is a risk taker. Where are you guys from? Key West? Oh, cool. Orlando.
Nice.
I'm Andreene.
Tyler, nice to meet you.
Nice
Is that
to meet you.
waterproof?
Andreene? No.
Okay.
So I'm taking a big risk right now. I just wanted to record you for my vlog because I do vlogs. So I was like really cool. I was back there like watching you guys. It's like so cool.